You raise your right hand, Sheriff. Repeat after me. I, James Rhodes,
I, James Rhodes,
do solemnly swear or affirm
do solemnly swear
that I will
that I will
support the Constitution
support the Constitution
of the United States
of the United States
and the Constitution
and the Constitution
of the State of Oregon,
of the State of Oregon,
and that I will faithfully
and that I will faithfully
and impartially discharge the duties of a Sheriff of Clackamas County
of the Sheriff of Clackamas County
of the state
of the state
according to the best
of my ability
during my employment hereof.
during my employment hereof.
Congratulations, sir.
Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you. Oh, thank you. Oh, thank you. Oh, thank you. Thank you. No. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you. Thank you all for coming. Thank you all for being here. I am honored and humbled and very grateful for this opportunity. I have loved the Sheriff's Office my entire career. I love the Sheriff's Office and everybody in it to this very day. And it will be, it will be the utmost honor for me to give everything I have to promote the Sheriff's Office, the wonderful, good, and important work that everyone there does. Again, I just want to say thank you all for being here. It's an honor, and let's go to work.